Your Google business profile is suspended, and when you appeal, your documents can make or break your reinstatement. Many business owners with suspended listings upload the wrong ones. Here is exactly what Google is actually looking for. But you have to remember that while your Google business profile is suspended, you're not visible to customers, you might be invisible on Google Maps, on Google Search, and you're potentially missing out on new customer inquiries, new leads, new calls. So you don't get unlimited chances to get this right, and you have to take the reinstatement process seriously. Understand what triggered your suspension and how to fix it. So Google doesn't reinstate a profile because you explain your situation. It reinstates a profile because you prove it's compliant. Your documents don't explain your suspension, they verify that your business profile is compliant. And timing matters. You have to know that when you appeal, the moment you click submit on your appeal, Google opens a 60-minute window to upload evidence, which means every document and evidence needs to be ready before you even open the appeals tool. The tier 1 documents are the ones that are required most of the time. At least one of the business registration certificate, a government-issued business license, or an official tax registration document. Without one of these, your evidence pack is incomplete, and no matter what else you submit. Then there is the tier 2 with the supporting evidence and supporting documents, utility bills, bank statements, or insurance certificates. Each one has to show the same business name and address as your GBP. That's very important. These can back up tier 1 documents, but they don't replace it. And finally, you have the tier 3 documents, which are the visual proof, signage photos, interior photos, a branded vehicle, invoices. They are not always required, but they are especially useful for address-related cases and suspensions. Okay, and I saw that many business owners with suspended listings get this wrong. They think Google is counting documents, but it isn't. Google is actually comparing them. For instance, if your GBP says ABC Roofing LLC, that's your GBP name, your business name on your GBP, and your business registration also says ABC Roofing LLC with the same wording, the exact same wording, then it's a perfect match. But if your utility bill still shows your old address, Google now sees conflicting information about the same business. That's not a bad document, but that's a mismatch. And a mismatch is enough to sink the whole appeal. So quantity or quality, more isn't better. 2 documents that match perfectly your business information and GBP outperform 10 that don't. Submitting everything you have about your business, hoping something sticks, usually backfires. So this is Google's own list of accepted evidence and the recurring note about matching your name and your address exactly. So when possible, and almost every time, use recent documents that reflect your current business information. And if you don't have a tier 1 document at all, don't focus on the appeal, focus on solving that problem first. So a business profile isn't reinstated because it's fixed, it's reinstated because it's proven compliant to Google. Okay, if your Google business profile has been suspended, don't guess at the fix. Click the link in the description and request your free reinstatement review. Within 24 hours, I'll personally review your suspension and tell you honestly whether I believe I can help. I don't accept every case. I only take the ones I genuinely believe I can help with. If I do, I'll handle your entire reinstatement from the compliance review to the appeal and every follow-up with Google until a decision is made. The link is in the description and pinned in the comment section so you can get your free reinstatement review today. So finally, after watching this video, you have to remember to note that the goal isn't to upload more documents, the goal is to remove every doubt, and if your Google business profile is suspended, you just have to follow the Google's rules and you'll be good. And everything is explained in this video. So see you in the next one.